Hello everyone, this is Tad Dowse with Drones in School, here to talk to you a little bit about VelociDrone and our new StarGazer controller from Hysyngi. So first of all, to use the Hysyngi controller, you have to bind it with Bluetooth to your computer. Once it's bound, then you can use it. One thing you'll want to do before you use the Hysyngi controller is you want to go into your options. You may notice if you've done any drone flying before, you'll notice that on the throttle on the Hysyngi drone, it is spring-loaded to be in the center, okay, which is a little bit different than most racing drones. So it's going to be a little bit different feel in VelociDrone. But to help with that, one thing you can do is you can turn on the Gamepad mode at the very top of the main settings. You want to change that to yes, okay? So in your Gamepad mode to yes or on. So now what that's going to do is when I go to set up my controller, you'll see here that this drone, right, is not spinning when my throttle is halfway. And if I go up, it'll start to spin, and then it will go stop when I get to the middle. Now the Hysyngi actual drone is a little bit different out of the box, and as you fly the actual drone, you'll get closer to the performance of a traditional racing drone. It's set up kind of in a beginner mode. But in VelociDrone, you kind of have full feature because you can't really crash it. It's for you to learn on. So once that's set up, then now if I go into one of our, I'll just grab a random course here. Now if my controller is just sitting here, I'll go ahead and put the controls on the screen. Even though my stick on my controller is halfway, on VelociDrone, it's interpreting that as fully down, as you might see in a traditional racing drone. And as I move the stick up from the middle point, it's going to go up in the air. Okay, so then I can use my other stick to pitch forward, and I should be able to fly just as I would. It takes a little bit of getting used to because you've got a little bit less range because you're only really working with half of the stick instead of the full range of the stick. So it takes a little bit of getting used to. But I'm sure as you fly it around, you will be able to make those adjustments. So I hope that's helpful, and have a great day.